Chaitanya Charitamrita scripture. Who is writer? Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Kasturi Manjari of Srimati Radhika.
चैतन्य मंगल ग्रंथ कवि रतनदास ठाकुर की प्रेरित ग्रंथ है। इसमें से ग्रंथ आदि
all the scripture need to read and then we can know about Mahaprabhu properly. Then many scriptures are there. Chaitanya Charitam, many scriptures are coming like this, because in Kali Yuga who will give prem in this world? Sachinandan Gaur Hari only. Mahaprabhu himself is saying, no one can give prem apart from me. Facebook देखना एक बार. Facebook. Vrindavan Das Thakur wrote about Mahaprabhu very nicely. In the morning I explained the recipient of the mercy of Mahaprabhu took birth from Narayani Devi, and how Mahaprabhu, I explained
नारायणी देवी की इसे मानो महाप्रभु की उच्छिष्ट प्राप्ति करके ही
take remembrance of Mahaprabhu, then
अपने दूसरे को पुष्प के जगत में
by the mercy of Mahaprabhu he took birth. Dhanna Granth, this book is blessed. The recipient of mercy of Mahaprabhu, Narayani Devi, and from her womb Vrindavan Das Thakur took birth from her womb. And Narayani Devi every day used to bring Ganga water for Mahaprabhu. And with the mood of gopis, her one hand up and one hand down, she's dancing sometimes. All this explained in the scripture. Mahaprabhu was very pleased. That's why he's writing. After receiving mercy of Mahaprabhu, such a divine personality took birth from her womb, from Narayani Devi's womb. Vrindavan Das Thakur, he is writing about Mahaprabhu, and then he is thinking, before writing about Mahaprabhu, you should write something about Nityanand Prabhu. Do anything. How can your tongue be purified? After hearing Gurudeva's glories, Ras Tattva, everything till Mahabhav. In the morning I told or not? From Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan Kriya Natrikti, Rishta Ruchi Asakti, Rati Bhav, Prem, Sneha Man, Pranay, Rag Anurag Bhav, Mahavarur, Radharur, Madan, and Madanakya Mahabhav. It's very hard to even remember this or not. When you don't explain the glories of Guru, then everything is useless. Like you cook and you make very nice sabji, everything, ginger and all these things, but you forget to put one thing. What is that? Salt. If you don't put salt, you did everything, but if you don't do bhakti, then everything is useless. And if you do Vishnu bhakti and you don't have no Guru bhakti, everything is useless. Without Guru, no one can cross this ocean of material existence, even if anyone is as knowledgeable as Brahma and Shiva. So, if you don't have Guru bhakti and you do many things, everything is completely useless. So, tongue is purified by glorifying Guru. So, Prem Bhakti Chandrika, Narottam Das Thakur is explaining. Live चल रहा है एक बार देखो. And there are how many Vedas? 4. Rig, Sam, Yadur, Atharva. I'm saying this because Vrindavan Das Thakur
बारे में लिखते जाते हैं।
He is writing about Mahaprabhu,
महाप्रभु के बारे में लिखे हैं। क्योंकि महाप्रभु के बारे में लिखने के पहले
and before that,
अखंड गुरु तत्व
Akhanda Guru Tattva Nityananda Prabhu, I want to explain about this. And then he start to explain what Nityananda Prabhu.
करते करते बस आविष्ट हो गए।
And he's so much absorbed in writing glories of Nityananda Prabhu, then the book was so big size. So explaining about Nityananda Prabhu.
और देखा तो
And then he saw, oh, the book is very big.
मैं तो नित्यानंद प्रभु के बारे में पढ़ लिया, महाप्रभु के बारे में
I wrote only about Nityananda, I did not write about Mahaprabhu. So he
संक्षेप में मैं बहुत सुंदर की
very, in essence, he explained the katha of Gaura Sundar.
कृष्णदास कविराज को
Therefore, this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying,
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर
Vrindavan Das Thakur,
महाप्रभु की कथा को छोड़ कर के चले गए।
he left Mahaprabhu's katha.
मानो उचित जैसे भक्त प्रसाद लेते हैं, सब खाना नहीं चाहिए।
Like devotees take prasad, you should not eat anything you want.
चट करके खाना नहीं चाहिए।
You should not lick your plate.
व्यक्ति के लिए थोड़ा
At least you should leave something for 5 people. In scriptures it is said,
लिखा गया,
when you eat,
भोजन करोगे
then
तो पंचग्रास देकर ले जाओ।
leave like 5 bites or 5 things. For 5 people you have to leave food.
बोले चिट्ठियां हैं,
For ants,
पक्षी है,
for birds,
उनके लिए
for them you should leave.
लोग तो इधर चिट्ठियों को खिलाते हैं।
People, they feed the ants. I saw they give the sugar, and they take some wheat flour and spread it around the ground where their ants are there.
10 लाख प्राणी को भोजन खिलाते
They are feeding 10, 100, 1 million living entities. 1 million living entities. Because 1 million ants are there. Feeding 1 million living entities. Scriptures it said, when you, whatever you eat, every time your remnants put for some of these living entities. In Samarth Vidhan also they said, when you eat, when you sit,
भोजन करने के पहले
before you eat,
5 जो है
separate it out. Before you eat yourself,
5 छोड़ना।
5 bites you take out from your plate, little bit, and then you.
उचित देखा हम इसमें
So that's why Vrindavan Das Thakur is saying,
हमारे कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying,
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर महाप्रभु के बारे में
whenever Vrindavan Das Thakur is saying
और
Mahaprabhu,
वही वृंदावन दास ठाकुर
then Vrindavan Das Thakur Katha permanent.
और उसी को मैं पढ़ने
I will explain that.
और सुंदर चैतन्य चेतामृत
Chaitanya Charitamrita scripture, very nice, beautifully this is explained.
श्री गंगा
And another scripture,
दास ठाकुर के चैतन्य
Chaitanya Mangal.
जो महाप्रभु के बारे में लिखते हैं वो
Vrindavan Das Thakur write for Mahaprabhu, then it's called Chaitanya Mangal.
पता चला ये कृष्णदास ठाकुर ये महाप्रभु के बारे में ग्रंथ प्रकाशित किया, उसके
Vrindavan
नाम
Thakur wrote scripture about Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mangal.
इसलिए उन्होंने वृंदावन दास ठाकुर अपने ग्रंथ के नाम बदल करके क्या नाम रखा?
So he changed the name and put Chaitanya Bhagavat, his name. He named it to Chaitanya Bhagavat.
और इतने सुंदर
And very nice, beautiful scripture.
वृंदावन और इधर कृष्णदास के विराज
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, very nice, beautifully he explained
की कृपा से ही
that only by the mercy of Nityananda, then
मदन मोहन की भी प्राप्ति हाथे धरी लिखाई मोरे मदन मोहन वृद्ध जरातु
Vriddha Jaratu, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, Vriddha Kal is coming. Oh, my hand is trembling.
इसे कहते हैं हाथे धरी लिखाई मोरे मदन मोहन जैसे आपके बच्चे
Like Madan Mohan is grabbing hand and writing, making write. So if your child cannot write, you hold the pen with the hand of the child and you guide the child how to write, what you write. In the same way, Krishnadas Kaviraj is saying this way, that look, Madan Mohan direct he grabbed my hand and writing all this. I left my house. He brought me my brother.
विचार न मिलने पर मैं घर छोड़
I left my house.
कितने सुंदर ये कथा
But very nice, beautiful kathas these explained.
और बड़े नहीं ऐसे सुंदर ग्रंथ आदि रचना आदि महाप्रभु के बारे में अधिक जानना चाहिए।
You should know more about Mahaprabhu. We are doing Bhagavad Saptah 7 days.
किंतु क्या होनी चाहिए?
But what should be there?
चैतन्य भागवत होनी चाहिए।
Chaitanya Bhagavat should be there.
किंतु इस कलियुग में महापुरुष
In this Kali Yuga, no one will give you prem apart from Mahaprabhu.
प्राप्ति करने के लिए क्या
To
करना
attain
पड़ेगा?
prem, what you want?
घुमा फिरा करके जितने भी सब घूम फिर के कहाँ आना पड़ेगा?
You all have to come
महाप्रभु के चरण में आना
to
ही।
lotus feet of Mahaprabhu.
जितना भी भागवत बोलते जाओ,
Whatever Bhagavad you speak,
किंतु यदि ब्रज प्रेम प्राप्ति करना है,
you want to attain Braj Prem,
गौर सुंदर के चरण में
then you must surrender to Gaur Sundar. Yatha yatha Gaur Padar Vinde.
बिंदे हुआ किदमन्न पंजा तथा तथा तस्वीर यदि अकस्मात राधा पदाम्बुजो सुधांशुरा है। कितना सुंदर गौर सुंदर के चरण में समर्पित हो जाओ।
Surrender to Gaur Sundar.
मन रे
मन रे कहो ना गौर कथा.
मन रे कहो ना गौर कथा, हमारे गौरे नाम हमियार धाम विनिति मूर्ति दाता सयने गौर सपने गौर गौर सयने तारा आदि जीवने गौर मरणे गौर गौर भगवान गौर बोलिया जाऊ जाऊ का जीवन किसी ना चाहिए मृत्यु में इतना क्या
At the time of death, what to chant? Gaura, Gaura, Gaura.
आज आप लोग क्या होते बार बार अरे गौरा गौरा बोल
Say Gaura, Gaura.
गौरा
Gaura. Gaura, come.
ओके गोविंद
Gau means Govinda, Ra means Radha.
एक नाम कर दे
Gaura. So, when you chant Gaura, you are chanting the conjugal divine couple's name itself.
बेटा बच्चा भी जाएगा
Even a little child is shouting Jai. Why are you not shouting Jai? Yeah, loudly. Good.
ब्रजवासी बोलो
Become Brajvasi.
क्या बोलते
When you do Giraj Govardhan Parikrama, what do you say? Jai!
गिरिराज परिक्रमा करो
Do Giraj Parikrama and sing glories of Yugal Sarkar. Jai. Jai to Gaura. That's what's called Gaura. Gai Gaura Chand, Madhur Sware.
गौरा माने गो माने
Gaura.
गोविंद राम माने
Govinda, Ram, Radha.
राधा गोविंद मृत्यु दोनों से चिरंतन
Radha Govinda, Militan Sachidandan Gaura.
गौर धाम के परिक्रमा करने से
If you do Gaur Dham Parikrama, then
वृंदावन धाम के परिक्रमा
you can do Vrindavan Dham Parikrama. So automatically you have two sweets in both the hands.
84 क्रोध ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा करते करना पड़ता है
84 कोस ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा.
है और नंबर 3 स्वरूप बस कितना कम परिश्रम कम और आएगा ज्यादा वेतन ज्यादा मिलता है पैसा ज्यादा मिलता है कि नहीं
You get more money or not?
84 क्रोध
For example, 84 कोस.
परिक्रमा करके
If you do parikrama, the fruits you get,
और वो भी डबल
double fruits you get.
डबल पैसा मिलता है नाइट ड्यूटी होता है
Like night shift, you get double duty.
आज देखो ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा देखिए
Brajmandal parikrama, you have to stay 1 month at least. Delhi people know if possible 1 month. They go in the morning and come back in the evening. That 2 days not going to parikrama. They get tired.
तो इसमें
The Delhi people.
चलो कम से कम ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा
So
करो
do Brajmandal parikrama how many days?
5 दिन कोई
5 days.
वो भी 5 दिन में 4 दिन परिक्रमा है रामचंद्र गुरु ने ऐसे कर दिया सब की कृपा कर दी चलो गौर सुंदर कितना है
How?
और कुछ ले जाना नहीं पड़ता है
You don't need to take anything with you. It's nice weather, Brajmandal parikrama. Okay. You want cold water, hot water, everything is there. Just go. See, you want many things. In Gaurasundar, in the land of Gaurasundar, you don't need anything. Don't even need your water. You just go and take bath in Ganga, no problem. See Brahmachari taking bath in Ganga, but in Brajmandal parikrama, you need hot water because it's cold season. If you go Brajmandal parikrama, then you need attached bathroom, this room, that room, private room. In Navadip, no need anything. True or not? So Gaurasundar's mercy is unique and unparalleled. This is my point. All the businessmen are here. I think profit is more there. All like this. I'm saying this because the Gaur Sundar mercy is need. So that's why Jata Jata Gaur Padar Vinde. Listen more to Katha of Gaur Sundar. In Purushottam month, everyone is doing Bhagavad. Okay, it's good. I'm not denying. I'm saying no. But what to do? Do Chaitanya Bhagavad. Listen to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Katha. Bhakti will come. If you have no mercy in Gaur Sundar, you won't get Braj Prem. That's why Vrindavan Das Thakur, very nice, beautiful. Okay, Chaitanya Bhagavad, very nice, beautiful. Explanation, just 2 words I explain about the this Adhik month. What do you say? Extra month? What do you say it? I explained. Hey, Indira ji. Adhik month, extra month. Purushottam, extra month. Very nice, beautiful Katha. This is so the Sharmishta Katha that Ramchandra Prabhu told before. Okay, it's anyways. He explained very, very quickly. Tomorrow I will tell in detail. I will not be here tomorrow, but Ramchandra Prabhu will tell tomorrow. Oh, he is speaking Bhagavad also. Where? Ramchandra Prabhu saying, oh, I heard nearby, it's there. So there's a place named like Karvatpur, but Gurudev is just joking in Hindi because Karvat means to turn back while you're sleeping. So Gurudev is joking like, oh, you just turn your back and you travel so far. Anyways, so Purushottam month is coming. Adhik Mas, Purushottam Mas, Mal Mas, Adhik Mas. All this coming like this. Samarth Brahman, Mal Mas. This is good or not? The term Mal with 2 meaning. Mal means poop and Mal also means dirt. Mal, yeah, poop. Once Brahmaji, with both his hands, he was rubbing his hands. Then something manifest in his hand. And beautiful body coming in, name me, name me. Then he said, you go. You manifest then? I name you Malmas. So you manifest like a mal from the dirt of my hand. So no any good thing good will happen in this month. So he cried, went to Lord Vishnu. He said, my father give me birth. And he said, you are most fallen. And God, people that are fallen, and God gives them special and more mercy. That's why in Bangla it's coming. So God's one name is Patita Pavan. You go to Jagannath Puri, Patita Pavan. You don't do darshan of Patita Pavan, and you cannot enter inside. Patita Pavan Jagannath. Jagannath Dev himself is standing there to give mercy. He's giving mercy to everyone. But that's why name Patit Pavan. Giving mercy to the most fallen. God is extremely merciful. Oh, I bless you all. People of this world, they think this thing is bad, this is worst. But God, when it connects with God, then it becomes the highest level. Do you understand my point? A prostitute, what was her name? Brahmamanti. Lakshahira. People used to hear this name and criticize. Oh my God, this is the most fallen woman ever. Like this, they used to criticize. But 3 days, she associated with Haridas Thakur, chanting holy names, hearing chanting of holy names, and then she is writing. Sadhu Sangha. She was very, very fallen, but associating of now Haridas Thakur, then she increased level. In the same way, this Malmas this month went to Vishnu. He said, go. People, whatever they say, no problem. I name you Purushottam Mas. By my name, you will be glorified. Someone's name is Govinda. It's good or not? In reality, Govinda's name is of Krishna. Shyam Sundar, Madan Mohan, Vrindavan Chandra. And you, Radharani, Shyam Sundar. Radhe Govinda Jai, Shri Radhe Govinda. Shyam Sundar, Madan Mohan, Vrindavan Chandra. Rajeshwari Vinodini, Bhanu Puli Chandra. Someone is called Raseshwari. Raseshwari Devi Dasi. What is your name? Raseshwari Devi Dasi. Oh, then she come. I'm saying this because if someone is connected to God, then they become highest level. I'm saying this because see that month, very month, came to Vishnu, and God he put him on highest level. People they can say mal mas, dirty mas, this no, but now you will be famous, known by my name. Now you are named Purushottam Mas, Adhik Mas, the extra month. And in this very month, Smart Brahman, what they are not doing in this month doing good things you should do. Like in this month, people don't get married. These many why? Eating, sleeping. In this month, chant more holy names. Reside in Jagannath Puri, Sri Kshetra Dham, Purushottam Dham. God's one name is Purushottam. Purushottamam Purushottam. About 3 Purush it is explained in scriptures. Maryada Purushottam, Karadakshai, Garbhodakshai and Shradakshai. 3 Purush. Karadakshai, Garbhodakshai and Shradakshai. Or Purushottam, Purushottamam Purushottam. That's why if you follow this, then God is pleased. As Gurudev used to say, who will be happy after following this? Srimati Radhika, she will be pleased. Rani ki jai. Kartik fast is called Kartik Vrat, Urja Vrat. Different names are there. Niyam Seva Vrat, many names. Urja Vrat, Urjeshwari Srimati Radharani. If you follow Kartik month, then who is happy? Krishna. Damodar Vrat, Radha Damodar. Like this. In the same way, if you follow Purushottam Vrat, then if you follow name of Radha, then chant name of Radha, Krishna will become happy. If you chant name of Krishna, who will become happy? Radha Rani. Krishna only knows about the name of Radha. If you say Radhe Radhe Radhe, Krishna will be happy automatically. And if someone say Krishna Krishna Krishna, then who will be happy? Radha Rani will be happy automatically. Chant both. Please both of them, no problem. Radhe Krishna. You should follow both. Chant both. Follow a conjugal fast. Like meaning Kartik fast and Purushottam month. Do both. But Kartik month, every year it's coming. But this Purushottam month only coming in once in 2 years, 8 months. By the calculation by the sun and by the calculation of the moon timings. If I tell you about mathematics, you'll be bored. You need a blackboard and chalk to explain all the astrological calculations to you. Then maybe you will understand. What do you calculate in computer? 5 into 5 is? You don't even know. You use calculator for that. What is 5 multiplied by 5? It's 25. People cannot say it directly. These days I meet people like this. 10 plus 10. Then they need calculator. 10 plus, then press button, then 10, then equals to. Then this is correct. Now what is it? 20. See? I'm saying this because bliss is coming or not. By calculation of the sun and by the calculation of moon projections, then astrological calculation is coming. There is difference in both these calculations. 29.5 days. Like this and later I will explain. Very nice, beautiful. We should follow Purushottam Vrat. If we follow Purushottam Vrat, Srimati Radha will be happy. In this Purushottam Vrat, how do you follow Purushottam Vrat? Like we follow Kartik Vrat, then in Purushottam Vrat we should follow also. It's so hard to follow one Ekadashi. And yesterday we went to house, so much eating. Actually on Ekadashi day, eating more. We went there. They're bringing many items. What did she cook? You remember or not? Yesterday you eat so much. Yes, pakodi, puri. What else? Papaya vegetable. Many items. They're bringing hot and fresh everything. It's a Ekadashi Tithi. Oh, what? In Kali Yuga, people say, my health not good. Need everything. They're eating everything very nicely. So, need to follow the fast. Like we follow Kartik fast. Like we don't use mustard oil in the same way. In the way we follow in the month of Kartik, in the same way we should try to follow this month also. If you eat everything, then how will it work out? No eggplant, no lauki, no parmal, no tomato, urad dal, no rajma. No mustard. It's asking Punjabis to give up rajma is the biggest thing to ask them to give up. The North Indian people cannot give up rajma. Ramchandra Prabhu was joking like this. The most hard is the tomato actually. Urad dal. Just like Kartik month, we should follow Purushottam month. Give up everything, then what will you eat? There are many things to eat. Eat paneer, no problem. Eat jhalmudi. It was a joke. Did you in the morning you got jhalmuri or not? You took or not? Some people took. Everybody did paran with jhalmuri. Good or not? Right, puff rice. So blissful, very nice.
और विशेष करके जिस प्रकार नंदन
Like in Nandan Ashtak Kirtan is coming.
इस महीने में
In Radha Kripa Kataksha, you are chanting in the same way. In this month, you should glorify like this. Jagannath Ashtakam. All this is good.
अधिक मानेंगे पुरुषोत्तम व्रत पुरुषोत्तम मास
Purushottam Vrat, Purushottam month.
जगन्नाथ में करके
In Jagannath Puri,
व्रत पालन करके
we are following fast.
जैसे
Like
व्रत
in the month of Kartik, they are staying in Vrindavan and doing Radha Kund.
लोग एक महीने तक करते हैं
They are following it. In the same way,
ये पुरुषोत्तम व्रत जो है
the Purushottam month, Purushottam Vrat,
उसमें जगन्नाथ पुरी में पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र श्री क्षेत्र पुरुषोत्तम
Shri Kshetra, Purushottam Kshetra, you should absorbed in the moods of staying in Jagannath Puri. If not possible to go physically, then what to do? Go there by your mind. In Jagannath Puri, Kshetra Dham. This is how you should spend this Purushottam month. A very nice explanation also is coming. I want to say more, but the time is up. Anyways, I have a flight tomorrow as well. I don't want to speak much.
किंतु अधिक रूप में क्या करना चाहिए भगवत नाम जप करना
But you should chant more holy names.
बाप वैराग वगैरह से मिल जाए
If by renunciation you can attain God, if you eat fruits and these things and you can attain God, means many monkeys can attain God. No. If you drink milk and attain God, then many calves would attain God. If giving up woman attain God, then I forgot this.
तो दिखाई दे तो हम
It's a very famous proverb.
भक्ति नहीं कर तो कुछ नहीं
If you don't do bhakti, all renunciation, everything is useless actually. Without bhajan bhakti, you cannot attain the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna. So, more emphasize on chanting of the holy names.
गुलाब जैसन आदि से आप लेकर के वैराग्य के साथ रहे आज बोलना सब बोलना नहीं है बड़ा थोड़ा बोल रहा हूँ
I am telling little bit.
मिट्टी में स्नान करे
Sleep in mud
और
Sleep on ground.
ग्लास में भजन करे
and eat on a leaf plate. In scriptures it is said,
आज एकांत में अधिक रहने के लिए प्रयास करें
try to stay alone more and more, like alone. Don't gossip with others. Don't talk much. More and more, try to be silent. No need benefit of speaking too much.
जितना जरूरत है उतना ही बोलो बस
What you speak, you speak. What is needed, you speak. Otherwise, stay quiet. Meaning, when you are quiet, you should be absorbed in remembering the pastimes of the God. This is the meaning of when I say you should be quiet. You should be absorbed in the Bhagavad Chintan and try to control your senses also.
सबके सम्मान के लिए
Respect to everyone.
सुनी होकर के
Vitranadapi Shunit and do Bhagavad Bhajan. Very nice, beautiful katha. It's written.
हमसे ढूंढ ढूंढ के बुला
I found it very hardly, and then I was able to find this. I wrote Asai Purushottam Vrat, which must be followed. Bhagavata Nam Kirtan. Can't this. chant Bhagavad.
एक श्लोक ही पाठ करो बस।
Recite only one verse.
कौन सा श्लोक?
Which verse?
अरे, तो ये सब तो श्रीमद् भागवत।
The essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. Which verse is it?
गुरुदेव
Gurudev,
2005
2005.
पुरुषोत्तम मठ में
In,
देना,
in,
मठ में जाकर जो पाठ
in that
करते हैं।
temple, he used to recite this verse during this month.
अरे वो श्लोक है।
That verse.
एक ही श्लोक में
In one verse. This is the verse. You find where is it? In Jagannath Puri District.
इस श्लोक के पाठ को देखो पूरा है जगती जननी मासो देवकी जन्मवास जदुरा परिषद स्वर्णी दुर्वीरस्तम अधर्मम तिरतरा विभिन्न सुस्मितर सिमुखेन भजम प्रवृताना वर्धयेन कामदेवम कितना चक्रवर्ती का जी पुष्पी बात का सारे
Krishna Chakravarti Goswami Pad, all the sense of Srimad Bhagavatam is like this. One verse. Gurudev, 20-25 days reciting this verse, and honoring Jagannath Prasad at night time, Harikatha in Jagannath Prasad and daytime, visiting the Leela Sthalis, pastime places. Have you seen? Have you been there? Have Ramchandra Prabhu, have you been there? In Purushottam month with Gurudev, did you go there? He was explaining Raya Ramanand Sanvad as well. Read Raya Ramanand Sanvad, very nice, beautiful it is. Very nice, beautiful. Taking darshan of Jagannath Thakurji, night time listening Harikatha from Gurudev and taking Jagannath Mahaprasad. No need to cook, no problem. Take Jagannath Prasad there. In Chaitanya Math we were staying back then. Not possible by body, then by your mind. Stay there in Kshetradham, listen to Harikatha. Our time is up.